Yo! What's up mga kadugo? It's your boy Super Eden here. And it's not so wonderful morning today. I hope there's no heavy rain when we selling ice candy. So guys, always be strong. Always be positive. Because in life, we need to be positive. I'm poor, so I'm always want to have good life. So being positive is a very good tool to achieve something. So this is our day 293 guys of saying hi till we get famous. Thank you so much everyone. I love you all. Bye bye.